love, you know.
Love from a distance. Love from a distance and love near. You don't make one team a part of the family, you know, love from a distance, share love every time.
You good?
Yes.
Okay, you wanna say hello to my donors? Say
Hello.
hello to my donors.
Hello to my daughter.
Can someone send for you? I know that someone sent something for you. I know they saw you come and you blessed with the prayers. Say I love you.
I love you.
Say thank you for what you do.
Say thank you for what you do.
Yeah.
Yeah, right, you see? You ever did?
Whoa.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh, Jaja. Yo, Mali from Canada.
Yes.
So I got $5,000 for you. From love from a distance. They wanna know.
Only for love me, I feel shit. Too hard, they know.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A Kino, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Black and white, you right.
Yeah, man, black and white.
You right.
Africa United. Hey, so I'm on the net.
Yeah, man, I have a net, man.
Net on the brain.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Net on the brain and worm in the kitchen.
Cooking chicken and rice and peas for the teller. Teller is them.
We can make it work.
Ever make it work. I want team, a G team, sit at Kino.
Yeah, man.
We get some fresh teas. We get some fresh teas.
Straight.
Yeah, man, the shirt, you know.
I like in Jamaica, see the people.
Yeah.
Want to subscribe.
Yeah, man.
You know what, go.
Then I get PLOs, so you have
Get some fresh
yeah,
ones.
there's some fresh ones.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Man, have some
Can't
fresh
afford the
ones.
blue though, you know.
No, man, the same color blue, man.
Blue, man. See it?
Same fresh blue.
Yeah, man, the world you see me in my guns, man. Burn out.
I chew you on a Chelsea blue more.
Yeah, man, you see.
You're rather more the Chelsea, you wear the Chelsea more.
Chelsea, you know?
Anyway,
We will take it off.
So blue, man, I don't love blue, so you know.
Chelsea see the blue shirts, same way.
Yeah.
Whoa, blue shirts. Alright, so today
Yeah.
on the menu now, and today we're going downtown.
Straight.
Today we're going downtown to feed the people on the street. Because you know, we got the wheelchair, Sharon. Remember Sharon, right?
Yeah, man, big Sharon.
Yeah, so we got a wheelchair for her from country.
Yeah.
You know, so find out what she's about, so we're gonna pay her a visit as well too. So she's gonna be there. And we're gonna bring some food as well too for them. And this food is provided by Love from a Distance. You know, provided meal.
Love from a distance.
Yeah.
Whole heap of love, you know.
Love from a distance. Love from a distance and love near. You don't know, because one team, a part of the family, you know, love from a distance. Straight love, every time.
Whole heap of love, me have, you know.
Straight.
Too hard, you know.
Love your
Love the hell out of them, you see.
Yeah.
Bro,
So you have love your near and love your far.
Yeah,
So we give thanks for love from a distance.
Love from a distance.
Love.
Yeah.
Whole heap of love, you know.
Yeah. So we give thanks. No matter how small it is, we appreciate it.
Thanks.
It can, at least, it can feed someone, you know.
Yeah, it can hurt, man.
So we're going to make it work. So people downtown feeding the needy. And also we're going to provide Miss Sharon with a wheelchair that's sent by a country as well from the UK.
Yeah, big up country.
Yeah.
The wheelchair, you see it? Give thanks to that every time. One love.
Big up country, man. Yeah, man, because Sharon, I love that wheelchair, you know.
Yeah.
Whole heap of love in the country.
Every
Yeah,
time,
man.
every time.
Country, whole heap of love. Yeah.
So we're up on the menu for them today. I know rice, nice and peas.
Nice
Yeah,
and
man.
peas,
Yeah,
man.
we have a nice and peas for them.
And a brown rice, you know.
Yeah.
Nice and peace, I like a brown stew, you know.
Brown stew, don't be alive and direct.
From there.
Brown stew is ready. Oh, the brown stew.
Well simmer down and
Yeah. So the brown stew ready.
ready up. Ready and alive, you see it? Smooth. We have a daily and everything. You see it? Well smooth, not too much out. Not too, you see it?
Yeah.
Alright, smooth, not too black too. Brown, beautiful.
It's not too black and it's not too brown.
Beautiful. And remember, they make no salt in it.
Yeah.
So you don't know, they're on a pace.
Yeah, because you know the hell of them out there.
So we now go to.
And I'm downtown with it today. We're not in TrenchTown today, you know. We're going straight downtown.
Yeah. Original Jamaican cow peas. Yeah, man, so them look like neat. Yeah, man. And the red peas, you know, red peas, but not the original red. It's a round red. Yeah, it's a round red, so.
Round red.
Yeah. We have scallion, we have garlic, we have thyme, we have pepper. Name it.
Red, green and gold in there.
No, we don't put the red, gold and gold in there. I'm going to
Red, gold
scallion.
and gold. Red, green and gold.
Yeah, I'm going to green part of the red, gold and green there, you know.
Yeah.
Scallion, you see it?
So
the time represent for the black people and we have a feeder now, you see me I say?
And the pimento.
Yeah, man.
The pimento represent as well. And scallion represent for the green.
Green and this, yeah man, the time for the black people and now. So the pepper now and the green same way. I want it I love night, man.
Yeah.
See me I say?
From the two art.
Yeah, I want it I love night, man. See them there?
From the two art and the one art.
All the love, man, you see?
Yeah, man. Love from a distance.
Love from a distance. Thank you very much for the meal. For the elders.
Yeah.
For the rice line up now and start out. Everything good, man. Thank you very much. I love to thank you, but boy, bless now, give you enough love. No, all the love, see there?
Yeah. Well, that's why I have two hearts, you know. Because I touch the wrong side of them hearts. The wrong side, yeah. Twice. Right and the left.
Yeah, man.
Not the left and the right.
Love from a distance. All the love. I'm going to eat rice and peas, round and today.
Yeah.
And I'm done deal with elders them now. Steppers, courage steppers are line up right away.
Yeah.
Yes, I remember get them done, you know, so let's get them line up right away, you know?
Steppers and the fish.
Yeah.
See it there.
Love from a distance.
Nothing but love.
Yeah, man, join close, you know?
Yeah.
All people love, you know? Yeah, man, see them there. Art, you know? Yeah, man.
Twice, you know, so once, twice.
Love from a distance.
Alright, so give
I get the rice line up now, yeah? Give thanks for your love from a distance. Country, all people love. Need some country, ground food in the country. Yeah, long time I see the ground food in the country.
Country in the UK.
Country in the UK?
Yeah.
Right. Love country. Same way in the UK, yeah? Love in the UK.
Alright, someone sending for you, because you know that someone sent something for you, because you know they saw you come and you blessed with the prayers, you know, and they really appreciate the prayers when you come around, you know, so that good Samaritan sent something for you, so I got $5,000 for you, from love from a distance. They want to know by love from a distance. from England. So that's $5,000 for you.
Thank you now. Thank you. Good Samaritan, I thank you. God bless you and prosper you.
Yeah.
And may you live forever. Okay?
Yeah.
I want you to just keep trusting in the Lord,
Yes,
and He will provide for you. And when you pray, I always ask the Lord to cover you under His blood, for His blood never loses power. So thank you so much, Good Samaritan. Thank you.
Love from a distance. So this is Esther mom. You know, most viewers probably seen you never. I know who you are at the minute. So this is Esther mom. You know, who's always come around and bless the program. You know, because she's a pastor, right? And she always come around. Assistant. So she always come around and bless the program. So I love from a distance. Got the blessings and sharing the blessings. Right, sister? Thank you so much.
Okay, and thank you. You're a generous young man. Thank you.
I'm keeping up the good work.
Yeah.
I'm going to keep on. Just continue to pray for me.
Wait, sometimes it seems rough, hills and valley, right? But the Lord is trouble and crosses in your way, but the Lord is there for you. You hear?
Keep fighting.
Yeah, man. Don't give up.
No.
And don't let the devil see your tears. Just every time when you feel like you're going to cry, just smile.
Smile. Because you're saying it's rough, you know, ups and downs.
Yes, I know what you're doing now. It's very rough. You're not going to have everybody to love you.
Yeah.
Some people. See, when Jesus was on earth, it's not everybody that loved him.
No.
And he was doing so much good.
Yeah.
And then, you know.
So the same thing I will definitely go through. Not everyone is going to love me, for sure.
No.
That's one thing for sure.
So, you know, I remember this song. If I could help somebody as I pass along, well, my living would not be in vain. Oh, my living will not be in vain. Oh, my living will not be in vain. If I could cheer somebody as I walk along, well, my living would not be in vain.
Sure. That makes a lot of sense.
And it's not who you help going to help you back, you know.
No.
The Lord going to send somebody else to help you. So nobody say, oh, you do this for somebody, and then you them, boy, thank you.
No.
Look for many people that are going to thank you, but the Lord is going to.
The Lord.
Have a say. No good?
I'm good shall follow.
Shall. The Bible said that. Right? Not man. The Bible said that. So God bless you. Lord, I thank you so much.
Yeah, God bless you too,
Yeah, you know
sister.
that I gave somebody something because they said that they were down and they needed help, and I gave somebody 1,500 freely. Yeah.
And look at that.
And today when I was at fasting service, I was telling some members that they must learn to share. And I tell them that anytime you say I give somebody something, money, I'm getting it back.
True.
Yes, and I'm going to call the girl and I say I get back double, triple.
True. You give thanks for your service.
Oh,
you know, you give thanks.
So keep on the firing line.
I will.
Yeah.
Alright.
Good Samaritan, bye.
Alright, thank you. Another presentation to make, and this is coming from Malik from Canada. Yeah, so we got a presentation from
Canada.
Yeah, man.
Toronto.
Yeah. So we have Malik from Canada. We got something here for the whoa. You know, when you see the blue, you know what that means, right? Whoa. Whoa. Chelsea. The Chelsea blue from Malik. From Canada.
What's favorite, you know?
Whoa.
Sharon, man says.
Whoa!
Yeah, man.
Whoa!
Oh, Jaja.
Judge.
Yo, Malik from Canada. Yeah.
To the back. Chelsea.
CSC! OFC!
You know what you're gonna do right now, you get me?
Yeah.
Blues.
Getting on the blues.
Yeah,
Full.
Canada.
Blue. Oh. Cheers.
So,
one side, you know?
Oh,
So,
look
one
at
side.
Chelsea.
FC, you know?
Ones.
Yeah.
Blues. Are they give or are they still what?
Yeah.
Before you step on next season, my season, man.
Yeah.
That's so Chelsea do it, you know?
That's Malik from
Yeah, man.
Canada.
Malik from Canada. All heap of love, enough respect, you know?
Yeah.
You see me I say, you know what you do right now, we can come on the blues all tomorrow anytime.
Yeah, man.
You see me I say, shot, me I tell you, love it.
Yes.
Yeah, man, enough love, you know? All heap of blessing, you know?
Same here, man.
Yeah.
You
Malik,
see me I
bless
say,
up.
Malik.
Malik
Yeah,
from
man, respect you,
Canada.
Malik. Love it, Malik. You see me I say,
Whoa.
Yeah, you make the whole feel nice.
Wow.
Smile on the face like that.
give me blue soap and blue shoes now.
Yes.
And a white shoes again with that.
And a white one. It's a full blue.
Give me blue now, I'm gonna say, yeah. Yeah, man. Enough, you know, enough respect, all heap of love, you know? I'm
Yeah,
too
man.
hard, them, you know?
Yeah, not one.
See, I'm too hard, them.
From Mali.
Jaja
from
Mali.
Canada.
From Canada. Toronto, big up. Enough love in the Mali. General Pablo, don't watch your face, you know. Love Bay. A long time I link Love Bay, you know.
Whoa.
Love Bay
Big up
station.
the Love Bay Station.
Whoa.
Number one radio station.
Whoa.
Cross the way across the ocean.
Whoa.
Big up the Love Bay Station.
Whoa. Yeah, man.
Number one radio station.
Whoa.
Cross the way across the ocean.
Whoa.
Hi.
Love Bay. No,
Shit.
love, you know.
Canada.
Yeah, come
You don't know.
Love
Oh,
Bay
shit.
posters, you know.
Yes, shit.
Malik.
Malik.
Smile up at the whole chef face right now.
Yeah.
Chelsea blue.
Chelsea blue.
Chelsea
blue.
make him man blue out now.
Yeah.
Well blue. I will also have a bag of rice as well to from Malik for the kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
See here, brown rice, well healthy. You know, it's the right way.
Right, not white rice.
Turn it around the
Brown
kitchen
rice.
then.
Brown rice.
Yeah.
Right, not white rice.
Mali, you see that?
Brown
Right
rice.
to the elders, them, you know.
Right
Yeah.
rice.
Yeah, go for
And
my
a
chest,
white
you
rice.
know. Brown rice. Yeah, man.
Good for your chest.
Go for my chest, I hold it for weed and
Yeah.
eat the brown rice.
Take off them.
Yeah, only for a week, come make it, you know, take out them thing there.
Clear up your chest.
Yeah, go for the elders, them, you know, that's some love it, you know.
Yeah.
You see what I say?
Yes, right.
Healthy too, you know. Yeah, man.
So
yeah,
good
me eat
thanks.
12 o'clock, I cheer to me eat again, so you know, healthy it is.
Yeah.
Serve me long.
Long serve, you know.
So we give thanks again. We give thanks again from Malik. from
Only my strength and
Canada.
thanks.
Hold it
As
for
well,
the
so
no,
Don't
yeah.
know.
the rice for the kitchen.
See you,
Respect
man.
you,
I know it's more health and it's more wealth.
Well,
I let them first, I get it and out.
yeah, man.
Yeah.
Really,
I don't know the hell of them type of rices too.
Yeah.
Now I left them out.
Yeah, man, so we give thanks.
Give
And
thanks to Malik, man.
as a Malik say, his pair of shoes now I can give it to anyone where I can see it's fit.
Yeah.
You know, so we're gonna search for this child now who this could fit. Which is
yeah, man.
would be great for someone to get this right now.
Yeah,
you know,
yes,
so-
Malik, you
Nice,
know.
man.
Yeah.
Malik, don't worry yourself, but somebody soon get it.
Yeah, man. Kids and they are running.
Kids them there, man. I ain't hard to find no, cause we can go on the ball field.
Yeah,
Where the kids them there play. And one lucky one can get it down there.
Yeah.
You know, so
Really,
that's the
man.
right place where we can bring it.
Yeah.
Down to where the footballer go and down by JJ.
Yes, man.
You know, JJ book
Yeah.
and ball.
Yeah, man.
Will fit somebody down by JJ. Book
I
and ball.
every size down there.
Nice,
Yeah.
you know. Love it, Malik, you know. Better never my size, you know. We're the Chelsea blue, me I tell you. Malik, love it. So by later tomorrow weekend, we find someone we can fit
Yeah.
down at JJ at ball field, you know.
Yeah, man.
Well, Malik, love the color, you know.
Another blue.
Blue.
That will fit right out
Right
before
to
the
match,
size.
match up, man. Malik, I watch a face, man. Love, love, I hold it for respect.
Watch, you know,
Because
match
of
this
somebody
now.
right now, we'll find Pakistan right now.
See that.
Yeah, man, Malik.
This is Alva Yard. Alva Yard is, you know. Yeah. Alva used to live in one of these houses. I'm born in one of these houses.
Yes, Mama.
Listen.
Yeah, your auntie of school.
Yeah,
Yes.
sure.
We'll give that card to you.
Shanette,
Trace to put on.
how you doing?
I'm a little one.
You right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright. Shanette, that your sister? Is that your favorite sister?
Yes.
How you doing? You alright? Bramps,
Yo, man,
Daddy.
I respect me, daddy.
them say Father for the Year award. The award no reach her, you know, daughter. Hello, a people on the corner. Father for the Year. Father for 3, right?
Father for life, Father for the year.
Yeah, father in
Father for life,
3.
is it?
Yeah, see there. Shanette, how you doing, Shanette?
Fine.
Fine.
Yes.
Are you doing great or fine?
Great.
Okay. How is your little friend on the tablet?
It was so nice.
You still looking after her?
Yes.
Is she growing?
Yes. Want to see?
Yeah. Oh, you could taking good care of her.
Yes.
But I know you will still.
This you're talking?
Yeah.
Angela. you're
Angela.
talking.
Yeah.
This girl?
Oh, is that Angela now?
Yes.
Wow, she get big. Angela get big. Last time I see her, she was a baby.
I just take care of her and she's
Yeah.
growing up.
Yeah, look, she's grown up.
She's sleepy. Look at her. She's grown. Ta-da! I buy clothes for her.
Yeah, she's a big baby now. The last time I saw her.
But she's sleepy and dirty.
Oh.
Eee.
Wow, she get big. So how was your legs? How was your legs doing?
Okay.
Yeah, you're not feeling no pain anymore.
Sometime.
Sometime, but not for long.
No?
Okay. And you feel nice, okay? You feel good?
Yes?
Okay, you wanna say hello to my donors? Say
Hello.
hello to my donors.
Hello to my daughter.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Say thank you for what you do.
Say thank you for what you do.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna speak to your dad, right? He's the father for the year. Your dad got a Grammy Award for father for the year. Alright? I'll speak to your daddy and come back, right?
Okay.
So you can take care of Angela. Father for the year award. Father for the year, so everything's alright though.
So far, you know?
They make a lot of people proud, you know?
Aye.
They make a lot of dad put on them shoes
Well,
and buckle up them belts.
well,
You know?
I love that still, I love that art where you make, cause say it obviously, they didn't have the youth and have him.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah,
You have to
yeah.
know, say, put everything in it. You see, you don't go for your 3/4, you see me?
No, sure.
Stand up, please, you see me?
Yeah, man.
That me there the right time.
You have to do the right thing, man. Do the right thing. Man.
When I do the right thing, now them see monitor our feedback on, you see me? So you can't bother feedback for in the long run, you have to just set your mind on a level.
Yes, sir.
See?
Which is right. Which is
Even
right.
my big boy, you suppose you don't know it. Yeah, man, them good man, you see? Good.
Are you a big boy?
Yeah, man, not really out of stats there, must
Okay, so.
see?
Yeah, because you
It's
know.
final year still.
Eh?
I'm alright
I'm alright. So I'm gonna live with you then?
No, I'm living in Granny.
With the granny.
Make him
Oh,
go and stay
I'm live
with
with you. Okay.
Yeah.
This one
Okay. Alright, so you know the last video we make now, you know, as I say, it reach out to a lot of people. And a lot of people is very impressed because as I say, it's not a lot of fathers will do what you do.
Hello.
You know, you really touch them for that. And you did mention say kind of loan funds as well, you know, so I got donation towards it for that.
Let's change it.
You know, so policy in the so I got 2 donation here, you know, towards because you want to get medication and then you put in the kind of low. Because I must say the good what you do, it always come back because people see the good what you do now, you know. You know that there's people out there still there looking out for their
Come on, good people that are same way in the world.
And also they want to reach out to good people, same way with a good heart, to reach back out, same way. You know, so with that said and done, we have a donation as well from Malik. This is from Malik from Canada. $5,000 from Malik from Canada.
Malik, respect and why may I tell you? Glad to say sister me a real father, is it?
Yeah.
I'm glad to be sent from still, is it? Well, more than respect and love, is it? All time, is it?
There's a show so you can see it.
Yeah, man.
Can you rock it up so fine? Alright then, so that's from Malik money from Canada.
Yeah.
So we give thanks for that. I got another donation as well here for you. And this is from Miss P. This is from Miss P from Ramford, UK. This is from the UK, $18,000 from Ramford. They live in Ramford, UK, so it's $18,000. And the one that's shown known as Miss P. Miss P.
Miss P.
Yeah.
Why I give thanks and praise there, because you see what me need and good people, see good people and know what is it, you see me?
Yeah.
So, bless up and respect, yeah, Miss P.
Yeah,
I give thanks for what you do for me right now, because I put it a long way to get her some pampers and them things for you, that's still, you see?
Yeah.
Bless up, yeah, Miss P.
Yeah, man, so that's
and
Miss P.
may God bless you still, same way, yeah?
Alright, then so that is Miss P from the UK, from Ramford, UK, Miss P. Blessed love and give thanks for the donation to go to our Sharon and our journey to recovery. And I say, Vamps, continue.
Yeah.
Father for the year, you get the award, you can reach it. You know, so hopefully somebody gonna send the award. You know, speak it out there to be.
Cool, man.
You know, Father for the year.
You have the pay to get it in, not the Father for the year.
Well, you earn it, you know.
You feel the plaque.
Yes. So we have to get that one that for Father for the year. Right, Shanette?
I know you're the Father.
Is he the best dad?
Father for the century.
He's century. Is he the best dad?
Yes.
You love your daddy.
Best daddy in the old world.
Oh, they say the best daddy in the old wide world. Okay. So can I take away your daddy to come live with someone else there? No? No, you don't want your daddy to leave. So him can't leave you for like 1 week? Because you want to cry. Alright, we're not gonna take away your daddy, okay? We're not gonna take away your daddy. Right? I promise. Okay? Anyway, that is gonna be, you're gonna be there, okay? See her face. A daddy girl, you know. A daddy girl. You see what I'm
my girl, man. She was my girl, is it?
Yes, the next one. This one is shy. And here's the next one here sitting down. She's not shy. And so there's 3 girls as well, you know.
And one boy.
Another girl out there too, yeah. That's the bigger one there. She up and on, she follow me up with her still, because she motivates me a lot with her still,
yeah. See,
the first one, isn't it?
And this is the one that you said is
Chico, yes.
Very slow.
Slow.
Slow. What's the name of her? What she got?
It's a mental interactive. That's what them say.
It's called mental
interactive. That means she can't reason. She's not a reason ability. She does your talk and you not get no talk.
Okay. Yeah.
My sister Michael, and them place. All for paid, I go try to. They live in family life ministry and them place.
Yeah.
We try to get the counseling and them way there.
Oh,
They make a sheet.
Yeah.
I say, we pay a subsidy. We can't manage it. Got 3,500 for one session.
Okay.
We couldn't manage it. Now we just got a couple months and just. Got the money, sir.
Yeah. Take your price, because you're going to need a good while session.
No, you see, I got a family like me, they call the psychiatrist up there.
Yeah.
The man are one-on-one. If you have a problem and everything, come like, can't mind the part. For conscience thing over there,
yeah. That cost for maintain. Yeah, that cost.
One session at 3,500.
Yeah.
Them side there, some better.
One session at 3,500. So how long you want to stop with that now?
Good while.
And this is the LPR?
This is the LPR, so what I want is somebody else. When she go out now, she express herself. But if you ask her something else, she not have to do it. But she express herself with other people. See?
Just continue the good works here, you know. You never know what can happen, you know. If somebody can come up with an idea, information, where you can go about, where you can help out your situation, if they are good, you know, if you can get somebody with any information about fear, what she's going through.
She's a old school here, but the man tell me say them not going back to old school. The school of hope she going on.
So must continue.
I'm take them back to continue the school until next year.
At least now that can keep her.
20 years right now.
20 years now.
Next year she's 21.
This year she's 21?
Yeah, this year, November.
I'm say the ears say me I do the right thing. You know, that love where you show, it can make a lot of things happen. You know, so it's continue saying me.
Yeah man, I mean this man, and they not let them in. See my daughter mother, and dead and not for dead for them straight, is it?
Yeah,
can't be nobody else dead for them, because me not gonna abuse them. Me know that. Me know that straight. No abusing now go on for none of them.
Yeah.
They let me not for the stick on. Because even one time my mother did, the mother bigger sister come bad. At them time they made up and down. All about it's mother people. So to my daughter, I'm not left them. We just done it all over and stay with them. Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah man, I know say boy, I might think this, I might challenge this in my life. Is it me?
Yeah. Alright then, thanks.
Yeah man, give thanks.
Give thanks. Thanks.
And bless up the dream team same way, is it?
Yeah man, every time man.
I can bless them because them,
yeah man, every time.
Tell a lie, is it?
Yeah. Give thanks to the Almighty.
Yeah, for real, my next one up the still.
He make everything possible, yeah.
Because he make everything possible the same way right now still, is it?
Yeah, make two flex now because I got downtown look out for the needed then. So
yeah.
You know where you go. Shanet?
Respect, is it?
See you later. See you later. Okay? Then. Later, okay? See you later. It's like,
we should come over here to the station.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.